Ever wonder how your microwave heats food so fast? Here's how a microwave works, in just 60 seconds. When you press start, your microwave blasts out microwaves, a type of electromagnetic wave. These waves come from something called a magnetron. Yeah, sounds sci-fi, but it's real. The waves make water molecules in your food vibrate like crazy, creating friction. And that friction turns into heat, cooking your food from the inside out. And no, don't put metal in there, it reflects the waves and could spark a fire. So next time you're nuking leftovers, remember it's science making that magic happen. Microwave equals science and speed, now you know. Like and follow for more bite-sized science.